This man was standing idle on a construction site when everything turned really bad. Take a look. This worker was just standing in the middle of a busy construction area when an excavator, unaware of his presence, got close. This video shows why workers must stay clear of active machinery zones, and operators must always confirm clear surroundings before moving equipment. This worker got stuck while closing a truck door. As the worker climbed to secure the back doors of a truck, the mechanical lift unexpectedly moved and trapped him. This highlights the need for caution when climbing or operating moving truck parts, and ensuring the system is deactivated before entry. Not paying attention caused a bad accident for this worker on site. Watch closely. This worker stood between two vehicles while adjusting one of them when the other vehicle backed up on him. This shows why clear communication and awareness, spotters, and maintaining safe distances are essential on site. Also, workers should never position themselves between moving vehicles. This man faced danger while adjusting a large truck rail. This worker pulled a rope to retract a truck's rail, but the mechanism engaged unexpectedly. He was standing too close and became trapped by the moving part. This highlights why understanding a machine's cycle and maintaining a safe distance is vital for safety. What looked like a simple check turned dangerous. Take a look. These workers were on site when one was called to inspect something. He leaned on a rope being used as a guardrail, and it ended badly. This highlights why guardrails must be solid, properly secured, and never replaced with makeshift ropes where real barriers are required. An employee was caught off guard by a truck gate. This worker was behind a reversing truck when its liftgate suddenly hit him. This shows why workers should keep a clear distance from moving vehicles and ensure visual contact with the driver during reversing. This worker was crushed by a vehicle after a lift failure. a worker accidentally disengaged a hydraulic lift, causing a raised vehicle to fall onto a colleague. This highlights the importance of using lift safety locks, conducting regular checks, and ensuring proper training before using hydraulic equipment. This worker's experience with a power trowel didn't end well. Watch closely. This worker was smoothing freshly poured concrete with a power trowel when it suddenly spun out of control, causing a bad accident. This highlights why power trowels must be handled with a firm grip, proper training, and regular equipment checks to avoid loss of control. This garage check took a dangerous turn. This worker tried to stop a moving car with his hands and was pinned against another vehicle. This shows why no one should ever rely on physical strength to stop a rolling vehicle. Wheel chocks, engaged handbrakes, and clear parking procedures are essential to prevent such accidents. A normal kitchen day turned risky. Take a look. While cutting a large piece of meat, this chef's knife slipped and injured his lap, causing panic. This highlights the importance of using proper cutting boards, sharp tools, and maintaining focus to prevent kitchen accidents during busy hours. This daring lift at the harbor ended in complete disaster after this happened. This large crane was hoisting a smaller crane when the lifting thread snapped, causing both cranes to collapse. Thankfully, no one was nearby. This highlights the importance of proper load calculations, regular equipment inspections, and keeping high-risk areas clear of personnel in shipyard operations. This overloaded forklift tipped over and fell on workers. Watch closely. This forklift operator raised a massive load too high, shifting the center of gravity. The entire machine became unstable and tipped over sideways, landing on nearby workers. This shows why operators must always respect load capacity limits and keep loads low while traveling.